Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create random QR codes with the help of Flutter. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to install a package for that. This one is the package QR_Flutter and the version is 4.1.0, and this is my main screen, and this is the main function, and inside this I'm calling home screen. I have applied code on this home screen. This is my home screen. So this one is my home screen, and inside scaffold I have taken center column. I have used column because previously I was trying to show more than 2-3 QR codes. That is why I used here column. You can directly take QR image view, and this is the data. When you will scan this QR code, then this data will be printed or will be visible whenever you will scan this QR code. And again there is so let me run this. So what I will do, I will just show you with the help of screenshot. What I am going to do is just taking the snap of this. This is the snap I have taken, like this one. And when I will scan this, you will see that the value will be visible like this. This is the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and this value is coming from here. So again you can do one more thing. You can add simple icon with the QR code. So for that you will have to code like this. Again you will have to take the same widget, QR image view, and inside this will be your data. Whenever you will scan your QR, then this will be the data will be printed or will be visible to the person who will scan your QR. And this is QR version auto. Size I have, you can manage your size, and this is the image that I am using from my asset, and this is the size of the image. I have taken the size of the image 50 because if you will make your image large, then it won't be able to scan. That is why I have used here a smaller one. So let me run this once again. Let me minimize this. Let me close this. Here it is. This is the icon, this is the QR. So once again what I will do, I will take a screenshot of this. Actually I have only one mobile phone at this time right now. That is why I am doing things like this by taking screenshot. This is the screenshot of this QR that I have generated with the help of my code. So what I am going to do, I am just going to scan once again this QR. So I have scanned this, and this is the message. This QR code has an embedded image as well. So from this code it is showing the message. So I hope that you must have understand how to generate multiple QR code in Flutter. So that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.